You can add tremendous beauty and elegance to your home with a high-end, luxurious flooring. And now there are more desirable flooring options than ever before. Here are a few great options from the experts at Flooring Direct that you might want to consider. Natural stone is a perennial favorite, and no doubt you're familiar with timeless classics like marble and travertine. Granite floors can range from black to white and everything in between. And for the more adventurous, granite can also feature color swirls, striations, and reflective specks. Today's high-tech porcelain tile and ceramic tile floors are proven to withstand the harshest treatment for years to come. And of course, there's no better way to add grace and a sense of heritage to your home than a solid wood floor. There's also the shabby chic world of distressed wood finishes. These floors give you the quality and beauty you crave with the distinct lived-in look that people love. Or perhaps you're looking for something a little more exotic. At one time, deep, rich, and dark Brazilian varieties were extremely rare and difficult to source. Today, however, they are harvested in a sustainable and eco-friendly way. The more ambitious and exclusive the flooring project, the more crucial it is to partner with experts who can guide you through what can be a fairly involved process. That's why the experts at Flooring Direct will make themselves available for an appointment that fits your busy schedule. And the best part is that you'll be able to see a sample of the actual flooring in the comfort of your own home. Just call 214-390-0850.